Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to add language in keyboard on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on General. In the General menu, tap on Keyboard. Here, tap on Keyboards to see your current keyboard list. At the bottom, tap on Add New Keyboard. You'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through to find the language you want. I'll select Korean. Tap on Korean to add it. Now, you'll see keyboard layout options. I'll select TwoSet as the keyboard type. Tap Done to save your selection. The Korean keyboard has now been added to your keyboard list. To use it while typing, tap the globe icon on your keyboard to switch between languages. You can add multiple languages and switch between them easily. And that's it. You've successfully added a new language keyboard on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.